Tremendous. Tremendous is used to emphasize the very large scale, high degree, or positive quality of something. You say tremendous when highlighting something's impressive size, quantity, or positive impact. For example, you could say, "We've done a tremendous job with the economy." Rigged. Rigged is used to suggest unfairness, manipulation, or corruption in systems or processes, particularly elections. You say rigged when alleging that a system, process, or outcome has been unfairly manipulated. For example, you could say, "The election was rigged and everyone knows it." Radical. Radical is often used to describe political opponents or policies he disapproves of, particularly on the left, implying extreme views. You say radical when characterizing someone or their ideas as extreme or outside mainstream norms. For example, you could say, "The Democrats have moved to a radical left agenda." Disgrace. Disgrace is used to express strong disapproval and shame regarding a person, action, or event that is considered shameful. You say disgrace when something or someone is a source of shame or dishonor. For example, you could say, "What they did was an absolute disgrace to our country." Billions and trillions. Billions and trillions are often used when discussing economic figures, sometimes with exaggeration to convey a large scale. You say billions and trillions when discussing very large financial figures, often to highlight expenditure or wealth. For example, you could say, "We've spent billions and trillions of dollars overseas. It's ridiculous."